Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you all will be in good health, safe and sound. Here is your English teacher, Ma'am Bushra. Let's start our today's class. Today we are going to learn about reflexive pronoun. What is a reflexive pronoun? A reflexive pronoun is used when the subject and the object of a sentence refer to the same person or thing. When subject and object of a sentence refer to the same person or to the same thing, then that object will be known as reflexive pronoun. Okay? In reflexive pronoun, the subject and the object refer to the same person. In such a case, the object is considered as the reflexive pronoun. In such case, the object will be considered as a reflexive pronoun. So, I think you will be able to understand it once I give you example. So, let me give you example of reflexive pronoun, that how in a reflexive pronoun, how reflexive pronoun is used for referring subject and object to be same. So let me show you an example. Here I have brought an example. The boy hurt himself. You can see the example. The boy hurt himself. Okay. Here in this example, the subject is boy. Understand? The subject is boy. And that boy hurt himself. Himself is the object in this sentence, and this object is also reflexive pronoun. Okay, himself is a reflexive pronoun, and in this sentence it is used as object. Understand? And this himself shows that the subject and object refer to the same person. Let me give you another example. In this second example says, Ali and Sarah bought themselves costumes. Ali and Sarah, in this sentence, Ali and Sarah is the subject, okay? Themselves is the object. Understand? So, themselves is reflexive pronoun because it shows, it refers that both the subject and object refer to same person. Understand? Ali and Sarah bought themselves costume. So here Ali and Sarah are the subject of the sentence, themselves is the object, and here this themselves, this pronoun is used as reflexive pronoun. Okay, this themselves is the reflection of Ali and Sarah. Understand? Some of the reflexive pronouns are myself, herself, oneself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves, etc. Here you can see that the words which are ending with self, these are singular form, okay, and those ending with selves, they are plural form. So these are some of the reflexive pronouns. We also can use reflexive pronoun when the action done by the subject of a sentence reflect back on the subject or affects the subject only and nobody else. Okay? An action which reflects back to the subject and it affects only the subject but nobody else, in that case we use reflexive pronoun. Let me give you an example. We can use reflexive pronoun when the action done by the subject reflect back on the subject or affects the subject only and nobody else. Okay, when an action is performed by the subject and that action affects the subject only, we use reflexive pronoun. Example, Chintu prepared himself for examination. Here Chintu is the subject, okay, and the action which he performed is preparation, okay. He prepared himself. So this action is affecting Chintu, okay. This action is reflecting Chintu. So here which pronoun we used? Himself, okay. Chintu prepared himself for examination. This action reflects back to the subject. This action affects the subject and nobody else. Understand? Sometimes we also use reflexive pronoun to emphasize that someone did something alone or without any help from anyone else. When someone do something all alone and he or she does not take help from someone else, so in that case we use reflexive pronoun, but we use preposition by, okay. In that case, while using reflexive pronoun, we will use the preposition by along with it. So here I have brought an example. Raju completed the science project by himself. By himself. Here Raju has done the project, he has made the project all alone, okay, without the help of anyone else. So we have used the reflexive pronoun which is himself, okay. Himself is the reflexive pronoun, and which preposition we used? By. Understand? So what is the reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronoun, we use reflexive pronoun. It is used when the subject and object of a sentence refer to the same person or thing, okay, and it is used when the action done by the subject of a sentence reflect back on the subject or affect the subject only. And it is also used when to emphasize that someone did something alone or without the help of anyone else. And some examples of reflexive pronoun are himself, herself, oneself, themselves, ourselves, yourself. So I think it's enough for today. Take care of yourself and those around you. Allah Hafiz.